Hello everyone, this is Ashish Sani from Innovate Yourself. Welcome back to my channel. Today you are going to learn how to use your Rasa chatbot in interactive mode. Now, what is interactive mode? Simply what we are going to do is today we are going to use a Rasa shell, but this time your Rasa shell will look very attractive. Or let's say we are going to use it in an interactive mode which will make it more attractive, right? So in this case what will happen is you can do so many things that a user can do on the front end side. So this is the beauty of using your Rasa Interactive in your Rasa chatbot. Now we will see how to use this Rasa Interactive and to make a Rasa chatbot more attractive and to use the various options that your Rasa chatbot provides. So let's see how to do it and how your Rasa chatbot can do this. So for that we have to go back to our PyCharm. So here is your program which we have created till now, and in this what will happen is we will use the interactive mode, and inside that interactive mode all the things will be created, or let's say all the things will be shown to you in the form of a graph, and that graph will be very attractive, right? And also using that graph, using this interactive mode, you can create your own stories. Or let's say if in case you're not good at making the stories which we are having it here, right inside whatever I have done is I have done it manually. If in case you're not good at making the stories, what we can do is we can use this Rasa Interactive, and there you can set all the things whatever is the right answer, or let's say whatever will be the question, whatever will be the answer, you can set all the things according to the correct conversation flow which you are having with you. So this is the beauty of using Rasa Interactive. Now let's see how to do that. So for that, just open your terminal and just activate your environment which you have created till now. And after that, here what you have to do is you have to go to the chatbot directory in which you are having your complete files whatever you have created, right? And after that you just have to write a simple command which is Rasa Interactive. Now just press enter. Now after that what will happen is your Rasa Interactive will start to process, and after that it will give you the options to chat to your chatbot. And after that what will happen is it will provide you a link, like here you can see we are having a link. When I will open this link, what will happen is it will show me whatever I am doing here in the chatbot. All the things will be displayed on the graph. Now just open this link and let's just see what will happen. Now here you can see this is a simple flow diagram of our chatbot, or let's say this is showing in the interactive mode. Now let's do one thing. Let's open it in such a way, right? So this side it is your browser, and similarly here is your chatbot which we are going to chat with. Now when I will say hi and press enter, so it will ask you whether your NLU model classified hi with intent greet, and there is no entity. Is this correct? Now what you can do is you can do, or let's say you can set up all the things manually. Let's say yes, this is correct, and after that the bot wants to run utter underscore board greet. So is this yes or no? So you have to specify like whether the reply which your bot is going to do, that is correct or no. If that is correct, then you can click on yes, and further it will go to the next part. Otherwise you can set like what will be the answer. Like for now let's do one thing, let's just press yes and let's see what will happen. When I press yes, what your bot is asking, the bot wants to run action listen. Action underscore listen means now your bot will stop and the bot will listen to you whatever you're going to send to your chatbot. Right now the bot should listen at this time so that a user can write, so that is also correct. Now yes, now here you can see your bot has replied like how can I help you, sir? So in that case what I want, let's say I want, let's say get something to eat, right? So this is my reply to the question, like this is the question. To this question I am replying with this. Now press enter. Now it has classified like get something to eat is an intent, which is what do you have, and what do you have is what, like let's say here is what do you have, and that is what can I get here, or let's say simply I'm asking the bot to provide me something that I can eat, right? So this is what I can do. Now if in case let's say my bot is not predicting correctly, at that time I do not have to say yes. Instead, I can say no. So at that time, what will happen is it will give you options. Or let's say these are the options which you can select according to this intent, right? So right now it has classified like this is what do you have. But if in case this is not the correct intent, then what you can do is you can just select like this is not this. You can select it like this, whatever you want to select, right? Whatever is the correct answer. Now if in my case what is the right answer, what do you have, so this is the correct answer. I will again click on this, so it will ask me please mark the entities using value this. So if in case there are some entities which is inside your this message which you have passed, then you can also specify the entities according to that, like using this value, whatever is the value and what is the type of it, or let's say what is the entity name, right? So this is how you can do that, but in my case there is no entities, so I will simply press enter, right? So when I will press enter, it will go to the next part, and next part is what, utter veg underscore non-veg. Now it is going to ask you like what would you like to have, vegetarian or non-vegetarian. So this is how it is going to do. Now utter veg non-veg, so this is the correct utter. Now press y, so what will happen, now it will provide you two options, 1 and 2. So this is how you can do it, right? Now action listen, now it is asking you again this thing. So this is how your complete flow will be checked, and also you can set all the things manually, right? Now when you are done with all the things whatever you are doing, now what I can do is I will simply press Control plus C. So what this will do, this will stop this. Now again press, okay, I think something got wrong, so that is the reason why I got this error. So let's just run this again. Okay, no problem. Let me just do this again, and after that I will show you the same thing again, right? So let's simply say hi. Right. Now I think the thing that I did wrong is at this time when the bot will ask you vegetarian and the non-vegetarian, at that time what you have to provide is you have to provide whether you want the vegetarian part or the non-vegetarian part, right? Or in short, I can simply say what I was doing is I was just stopping, or let's say I was interrupting the complete process in between, or let's say your story will be incomplete, so that is the reason you got that step. So now what I have done is when I have just set this part, after that I didn't let the bot send this question to you, and at this stage what I have done, I have just pressed Control C, and accordingly it is asking you for the options. Right now I don't want to continue, instead I want to export and quit. So what this will do is this will create a story, and this will be added to your existing story, and also it will quit the interactive mode. Right now press enter, and it is asking you now like export stories to, if file exists this will be appended. Now if in case you want to add this story to your stories.md file, then you can directly write this. Now press enter, and also if there are any entities or any intent that have been added, then it will add it to your NLU file. Now press enter, because in our case we haven't added anything, right? So this will stop the execution and it will be exited. Now let's go here and let's check the stories.md file, right? So here you can see This is a story which it has created in the interactive mode and it has stored it here, right? So this is how you can create your stories in the interactive mode, by manually checking whether the intent is right and also the message that your bot is going to pass, that is also correct or not. So this is how you can create your own story manually in the interactive mode, right? So this is the complete process of doing that. And also it has added some of the things, but in our case we haven't added or we haven't appended anything in the NLU part, that's why there is nothing to add, right? Similarly, it won't added anything here. So this is how it has done. So this is it for your today's session. I hope all the things are very clear to you, but still if you are having any kind of a queries regarding the topic, then do leave a comment below in the comment section. And also if you have liked this video, then do click on the like button, and also if you are new to this channel, then do click on the subscribe button so that you do not miss any kind of a videos like this. Till then, bye bye and thanks for watching this video.